Okay, for this last assignment, I'm going to look at a forecast map and see how to read a map to determine what potential weather we'll have going forward. So from the Google Classroom, you'll see a link that says Forecast Models, Tropical Tidbits. Click on that, and you'll get a picture. There's a website. Skip that stuff. Tropical Tidbits, and it has a map here of the United States, and you can change anywhere you want in the world to look at. So at the lower left, it says Regions. You can click on that and go anywhere in the world you want and see the forecast. But for now, we'll just stick with the United States. This model happens to be called the GFS. There it is in the upper left-hand corner. That's the American model. If you hit Globals, you'll see other models available to the weather prediction. You have, the first one is the European, GFS is American, CMC's Canadian, the Icon's the German, JMA's Japanese. There's a bunch of others, Australia. There's many countries have their own weather models. We'll stick with the American model, the GFS, for this exercise. And what you can do then, okay, so on the map itself, it has the initial. So it's INIT 06Z April 12th. This is Sunday. And the map was done at 6 Greenwich Mean Time. And it tells you when it's valid for. So this is valid for 12Z on April 12th. And the 6 means 6 hours. There's a 6 there, forecast hour. So if I hit this little arrow, you see these arrows with the triangle at the top here. I'll zoom in on those so you see what I'm talking about. The little arrow to the right will progress me through that at 6-hour intervals. So I can click and I can watch how the map moves. And you can see what happens. Then you can go backwards as well to the beginning. And you can see how this particular model runs, which is every 6 hours they run this, and you'll see how it affects forecast. On the far right, you can pick which model you're looking at. So I hit this, I can zoom in here. It says this is the Sunday morning model. If I hit the down arrow, I can pick other dates and times when they ran the model in the past. We'll stick with the current one. And then we can actually see the forecast going forward. So this is on a Sunday, Easter Sunday. And we go through, we can see how the weather's going to change. And you can see a pretty good looking storm there on the eastern part of the United States. And the green is rain. The yellow is heavy rain or storms. The blue, of course, is snow. And the color codes over here on the right-hand side as well. You can see the different color codes for sleet and for rain. And down here is snow. On the maps themselves, you'll see lines, black lines, like wrapping around the L for low pressure. Those are the baroclinic or atmospheric lines of pressure, equal pressure, isobars. The blue and red lines kind of indicate temperature. I don't want to get into details with that now, but blue lines means colder than normal, roughly, and red lines mean you're typically warmer than normal for that time of year. And for mid-April, the high right now should be around 60 degrees. So as you can see, where this model's going for tomorrow, it's going to be pretty warm tomorrow as the red lines move through. So if I go through a few more days, you'll see the blue lines progress to our neighborhood in Pennsylvania here, and we get a little cooler than normal. In fact, looks like there's some snow possible on Wednesday. I hope not. Okay, so that's how you go through the model to look to see where it's going with the weather. Now, when you get this activity, it may be tomorrow, maybe Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm not sure which day you'll be getting to this. It has to be done by Friday. So you can always go back to this model on 6Z Sunday the 12th, but you don't have to. I'm going to have you pick a certain date out in the future to find the weather forecast and tell me what you see. So that's how you do it. So hopefully that was enough explanation. But what I would like you to do with this assignment then is to go to the website, and we're all going to head out. Since this is due on Friday, which should be, I guess it's going to be the 17th. Let's pick a date past that. So we'll say the 19th, April 19th, Sunday. That's next Sunday. And let's just see what the weather's going to be. I want you to tell me what you think the weather's going to be next Sunday based upon the map you look at. Now, I want you to use the GFS map. And you're going to go out to Sunday, and I'm not going to go that far, but you can just kind of click through until you see Sunday. And here it says Tuesday, April 14th. And you just keep going all the way out until you get till Sunday, April 19th. And then you'll go to Pennsylvania, and you're going to tell me if it's going to be warm with the red lines that you see at the bottom of the screen, or cool with blue lines. Dry or wet with the precipitation. Blue means snow. Hopefully there's no snow that late in April. And green with rain. If you see a lot of these lines together, these black lines, we talk about wind. Let me know if it's going to be windy or not windy next Sunday. Again, the assignment will be for Sunday, April 19th, and we'll pick the time for that to be, I guess, 12Z. This is 6Z, Thursday, April 16th. We want 12Z, Sunday, April 19th. So you'll tell me whether you see for our location here in eastern Pennsylvania on that date and time using this model. All right, folks, good luck.